But I am not a complex person. So we are not going to do this. I have seen PNC sir taking us at a dream industry with himself and gives you dreams for your life. I have seen Mohi sir subtly asking about every student's performance and track your progress. He made me realize once कि अश्लेषा तुम बहुत फाकी मारती हो आजकल. I will definitely improve, sir. You guys don't know. DS sir observes everyone. And love each of his student. But he will never tell you, he will never show you. He will just scold you at the right place and tell you to leave. See, if you want to get 10 marks extra for your personality, contact DRV sir. Or if you want to go to Spain, MM sir is not here. But I wish कि ये message उन तक पहुँचे. Dear MM sir, we all want to tell you that you are really sweet, and we want to be as committed to our work as you do. Sometimes I really get worried about things and start taking pressure of life, and then I see TK sir. I know at some point he's saying, chill. Why are you taking so much pressure? There you meet JC sir, whom we call our fighter. Maybe you don't know juniors, but he's such a cool person. We have discussed many things with him, like heterocyclic compounds, pericyclic reactions, Mirzapur, gangs of Asif, everything. Okay, think of a person with tons of knowledge and still down to earth and of kind nature. Yes, I am taking you to SG sir. But boys, if you are searching for someone to hang out, you can go to him too. PNC sir and DRV sir will agree to me. Acha, tell me, do you guys like Kishore Kumar songs? And want some more suggestions? Then go to the lecture gallery in SSP sir's cabin. And if you're missing your family, you can sit there for a while. You know, we always need someone in the group to complete it with its humor and teasing skills and to make place lively. For that, our department has AKP sir. Be aware, if he is in there in your Grand Viva panel, you will never be able to accumulate as much knowledge as he has at one point. So, let me tell you about an incident. There was an incident. Once one of our profs said, like he was teaching, so for that purpose we need to do integration. And no, you are thinking about a wrong person. बताने दो मेरे को. So you have to do integration, and it is going to be very complex. But I am not a complex person, so we are not going to do this. Yes, it is our beloved RNS sir. Sir is very simple, and with his green approaches in life. Make some good connections with sir if you want to eat katla or rui. By the way, tomar priyo maach ki. मार्च और इंटीग्रेशन की बात की और केपी सर की बात नहीं की. ये तो नहीं हो सकता. My dear fellows, all he wants from us is study his subject. much you love your subject and how much you work for it. Everyone, please give a round of applause. You're so cool, sir. But on the behalf of whole chemistry department student, I just want to tell you, sir, इतना नहीं लिखा जाता है हमसे. But like our department is amazing, trust me. But एक कमी तो है. There is no female professor.
Yes,
We
sir.
want, sir.
You should join.
बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. So